guys, today this is like the second day, well, like the second time that I've actually ever played with slime. So I'm just gonna mess around with it and see what it can do. Well, mine is like really fluffy, so okay, let's get on with the video. Sorry, I had to fix something. Okay, so some people told me like the poop is like really fun and satisfying to watch. So I'm gonna try that. I actually think I did pretty decent on that one. Who thinks so? All my fun people out there, I think you think that was pretty good. Okay, it fell. Okay, I'm gonna try this again. Oh my gosh. If you guys are wondering, no, I don't like Monster High. I'm just wearing this. That was my nose. And that was weird. Okay, I'm just totally over that. Okay, so some other people told me like it would be really fun, like to do like a flat circle, and then like smear your finger all around it. And, it just clumped up. Really, they said to make it like almost perfectly round, is to roll it into a ball and squish it. Squishy, squishy, squish, squish, squish. What do you guys think about that perfectly round circle? Yeah, this slime is totally sticking to this unless I pull it off. But, yeah. So that will be how I show you guys things like in the circle. What should I do next? I don't know, but whatever. You guys should, okay, I mean, this isn't the end of the video, but you guys should just pause the video right now. Comment down below on what I should do with slime, except for make some. But, yeah, like, what things I should do with slime. Oh my gosh. That is stretchy. So stretchy that it's already out of the camera view. And I'm just, this is as high as I can go. Oh my gosh. If you guys are wondering, Lindy made this for $1. She goes to GR Elementary. I'm not telling you where she lives because that would just be creepy. But yeah, okay then. I feel like making the poop again, just for no literal reason. It's like so fun. You guys, I did almost perfect on that. Look at that beautifulness. Okay. Squishy, squishy, squish. Oh my gosh, why is slime so fun? Darn it. Hey, you guys, watch. It's gonna be like way up here in one clump. I'm gonna hold one end and watch it go down. You guys see how high that was, right? Look, it's from here up to here and it just keeps going and going and going and going and going and it will not stop stretching and I'm done. This was really fun, like my second time ever like playing with this. And this is like really fun. Wow. It never happened. Never happened, people. Never happened. We'll just... No. You know what? Never mind. Okay, so... What am I going to do now? Ooh, if you guys want to know how to do this, stick your fingers in it and pull. You guys can, like, literally not see how cool that is. From my angle, it is like, oh, it gets really thin. And then the outside is, like, super thick. It's like, what? How? See, look. Oh, shoot, it just broke. Nah, I don't care. But this is so fun. It's just a bird outside. Okay. Who heard that? Listen. Oh, wow. Listen. That sounds so weird. Is that even the right? No. Listen. That sounds... I got a call from somebody. Okay, well, this is the end of the video. Thanks, hope you liked it.